Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a question that was asked about the search box in the taskbar. The question is if I want to remove it or modify the search box. Is there an easy way to do so? And indeed, there is. I use the search box a lot because it's really the gateway to everything Windows. So when you want to have a setting, anything, searching for it here actually does help quite a lot and make things a lot faster in general. But maybe you don't want it. Maybe you find that it takes too much space. So there are fixes. There are different options for a search box. So you simply right click anywhere on the taskbar on Windows 11 and then go into taskbar settings. Once you're here, you will see that there's a search and there's a little box with choices. So here it says search box. This is what it looks like. But you can also have just search icon and label, which will make it smaller, so it takes less space. So this could be a good option. You want even smaller, but you still want it there? Well, how about just the icon? By having the icon, you even have more space on your taskbar, which makes it better. And for those that wish to have it disappear, well, you just click the options and go into hide, and there you go. No more. So in my case, I haven't tweaked it on this computer yet. I think what I will do is just have a search icon. I think this is perfect and doesn't take a lot of space and lets you use the search icon and the search box when you want to have it. So I think this is pretty cool for that. And so now you know you can actually tweak it in different ways if you want. So, of course, all the junk of Microsoft here, this is fine for me, World Radio Day, and a little bit of stuff like that. But, I mean, games and stuff like that is like, come on. Come on, Microsoft. But anyways, you have several options. Once again, all you have to do is right-click the taskbar, go into taskbar settings, and the search icon options are right here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.